Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete messages on Telegram desktop. Whether you want to remove a single message or delete multiple messages at once, Telegram makes the process quick and easy. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer and open the chat where the message is located. Find the message you want to delete, then click on that message. A menu will appear on the screen. Click on the delete option. Telegram may show a confirmation window. In some chats, you may also see an option called Also Delete for the other person. If you want the message removed from both sides, keep that option selected. Then click Delete to confirm. The message will be removed from the conversation immediately. If you want to delete multiple messages at the same time, click on a message and choose Select. Now select the other messages you want to remove, then click the Delete button and confirm the deletion. This is useful when you want to clean up a conversation, remove old messages, or delete something you sent by mistake. That's how you can delete messages on Telegram desktop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Telegram desktop guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.